Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about DB creation in SQL Server. This is a syntax how to create DB, create database and database name. Let's flip to SQL Server and go to the database and click on new queries. Just write the query create database and the database name, let's say it is testdb. Click on execute. It's executed successfully. Now just refresh the databases and then we will be able to see that testdb. Now another way of creating the database is just right click on databases, choose new DB, put the name whatever you want to create the database name and then click OK. It will create the database for you. That's it from this video. In upcoming videos, we will learn the basic understanding of SQL Server. Thank you for watching. Thank you.